Rotate to open the splice or equipment power. Press the computer power on button. Wait for the equipment to power on. Double-click to open the Splicer software. Click the Reset button here. The need to measure the value of the splicing tray to sweep the code, the material belt into the right runner. The material belt into the left runner. Waiting for the equipment to measure the value. Here there is a value of the data 1. Here there is a measurement of the value of the data 2. Click here to query the relevant value. The automatic splicing is completed. Check the splicing effect.